Today I'm going to show you how to install the Dyna-Glo 3000 BTU garage heater, vent free. The first thing done is to turn it over on its back and decide if you're going to run LP or natural gas. Take this cover off, and there's a little slot underneath there where you push down on it and select the LP or natural gas. I'm going to be using natural gas for this install. Next, you're going to take out the plug according to the gas that you're going to use. I'm going to be using natural gas, so I'm going to take this plug out. Now I'm going to build a trap for the fuel line. All sedatives, dirt, stuff like that will go into this pipe here, which will be facing downward. And this will be going to the unit, and the supply line will be here. Now I'm just building that trap. Just putting my pipe dope on. You can use the tape also. The yellow tape is for gas. And just getting everything lined up and tight. And here is the finished trap, ready for the supply line. Now get out your stud finder, find your studs. They should be have some 16 inches apart to mount your bracket to hang the heater. Here's your wall mount for the heater, and now I'm putting spacers for the bottom of the heater so it'll be level. Back of the heater won't actually touch the wall. Now it's time to hang this bad boy. Two little slots on the back just line up with the slots or the little fingers on the mount, and it just hangs on it. I checked earlier for the clearance for that pipe on the bottom there, and here we go. It's all hooked up. Got my gas line ran. Started up fairly easily using the instructions, and it feels pretty good. Thing gets pretty hot for sure. Here you see the I piggybacked on my water heater. Just got a T from the water heater and ran it over to the heater. This is a shot of it glowing for good. Got my man cave warming up right now. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope this helped you guys out. Peace.